Welcome to part 3 of Armory to a Knife. Today we have 80 stars. We will stick a lot to our stickers because they were good to us. And maybe some collection at the end. Let's see. Let's start. Come on. First one. Nope. Maybe second. Nope. Nice. This is good. Let's go. 2 in a row. Very nice. Still didn't get the red. Red! Let's go! Let's go! Nice! First red! First red in this series. Let's go! Very happy, very nice. Let's treat ourselves with one collection. Come on, give me red here. Oh. Okay, maybe 2 collections then. Oh. Back to the stickers. Nice, nice. Last sticker, then we go to collections because we got a red sticker. Let's open some overpass. Very bad. One more. Not happy, but okay. Nope. Let's open 3 more train. Call it a day. Give me pink. Give me pink again. Come on. Left chance. Left chance. Oh. Okay, that's it for our 80 stars. We will do the maths. I'm pretty sure that this is a good profit today. We will see. Today we started with inventory value of 63.33 euros. We bought 2 armories, that's 28 euros. From that 2 armories we got 36.76 euros, which means that today's profit is 8.76 euros, which brings us to the total balance of 72.09 euros. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part.